Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive excellence as we explore the top 5 cars that are making waves globally. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology and design, there's something here for everyone. Let's buckle up and take a closer look at these remarkable vehicles. First on our list is the Tesla Model S Plaid. This electric powerhouse redefines speed and efficiency, boasting a staggering 0–60 mph time of just under 2 seconds. With its advanced autopilot features and a minimalist interior that prioritizes user experience, the Model S Plaid is not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. Plus, its impressive range means you can travel further without the worry of frequent charging. Next up is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a symbol of luxury and innovation. This flagship sedan is equipped with the latest in driver assistance technology, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring high-quality materials and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. With its powerful engine options and adaptive air suspension, the S-Class delivers an unparalleled driving experience that combines performance with elegance. Coming in at number 3 is the Ford Mustang Mach-E. This all-electric SUV captures the spirit of the iconic Mustang while embracing modern technology. With its sleek design and impressive performance, the Mach-E offers a thrilling ride without compromising on sustainability. The spacious interior and advanced connectivity features make it perfect for families or anyone who loves to hit the road in style. At number 4, we have the Porsche Taycan. This electric sports car is a true testament to Porsche's engineering prowess. With its stunning design and exhilarating performance, the Taycan offers a driving experience that is both dynamic and refined. The advanced battery technology ensures quick charging times and an impressive range, making it a practical choice for those who crave speed without sacrificing convenience. Last but certainly not least is the BMW i4. This electric Grand Coupe combines the brand's signature performance with eco-friendly technology. The i4 features a sleek silhouette and a luxurious interior filled with cutting-edge tech. With its impressive acceleration and agile handling, this car is designed for those who appreciate the thrill of driving while being mindful of their environmental impact. As we wrap up our journey through these top 5 cars, it's clear that the automotive industry is evolving rapidly, with innovation at the forefront. Each of these vehicles offers unique features and advanced technology that cater to a variety of preferences and lifestyles. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest in tech and automotive trends. Drive safe and see you next time.